Hi, this is Mr. Holmstrom, and this is a Makerspace tutorial on how to begin designing your own keychain in Tinkercad. First, we start off with the Google Classroom, go into Classwork, find today's date, and click on that assignment. You'll notice that there's a first and second round for a Kahoot game. I'd like you to play those two rounds first. They're going to help you kind of review some Tinkercad concepts. After you've played those, go to Tinkercad with this link. Click on G for Google. Now I've gone in under student account. Normally it starts with your recent designs. However, you're going to go to the left side in green. You're going to find the words Your Classes. You're going to click on that. Now, I have a bunch because I teach a lot of classes. You are going to have only one class. So you find your teacher's name over here. So I'm going to use Mr. Griffith's 6th grade as an example in this video. However, find your teacher's name and click on it. You're going to notice that once you click on your classes and your teacher's name, you have Design Your Own Keychain Challenge waiting for you. Click on that. Then underneath the file, you're going to see Copy and Tinker, so you click on that. The only thing that's given to you is this template, so you're going to put your design on top of it. If I click on this, you're going to notice that it is locked. Leave it locked. If you, this will keep you from moving it. It will keep you from making it too big or too small. It'll keep everything the right size. So you're not doing anything with this. You're just putting things on top of it. So for example, if I wanted to put a word or logo on there, I'm going to use a lot of those Tinkercad concepts that we've talked about. First thing I can do is go into the text box and type what I want it to say. I'm going to use MLK for this. Use your rotate. We've done that before. Use your size up or size down. I'm going to make it smaller. And also you are going to move it. So find a spot where there's nothing and move it over. Now if I look on the side view, well actually I want to look underneath first. So it looks like it's kind of poking through on the bottom. I don't want that. I'm going to raise that up just a little bit so I don't see it. That's good. Now on the side view, this is very tall. The letters are wider than my keychain is. So I'm actually going to shrink that down by using the size button. That looks pretty good. Just notice my L is lowercase. I'm going to change that to an uppercase L. Okay. What if I want to add another shape? So let's say a heart. Heart. I'm going to rotate that around. I'm going to shrink it down. And I'm going to drag that over to the middle. Now you're going to notice something happens. It covers my letters. It covers them because it's taller than my letters. I can also see it from the bottom. So I'm going to start by raising that up. The reason I'm doing this is that the 3D printer will print nothing that goes below that plane. So I want to make sure there's nothing poking down below it. All right, so what about this heart that's now above my letters? Well, I can do this. I could take this and size it down so that now you can see the heart is a little bit above the keychain, but not above the letters. The letters, though, I want the letters to be up a little bit more. So I'm going to select the letters, and I'm going to make them a little bit taller. Not too tall. And that should be good. So now, maybe make them a little bit smaller. So now I can see the letters, I could see the heart, and I've designed a keychain that's personal to me. Use anything you want over here. Make sure it's on there. You do not have to group it or lock it or anything like that. Just make sure it's on the keychain and that the keychain is not too wide. You don't want anything coming up this high. And you certainly don't want anything sticking below the work plane either. Like something like this would take the 3D printer about 20 minutes to print. So if you design something like this, where you have everything on the keychain, we'll print it up after you get back from break. Thank you.